How to remove dead skin from feet. 1. Exfoliate your feet. Exfoliation is a technique that involves removing dead skin from the feet surface with a physical or a chemical exfoliator. 2. Moisturize your feet regularly. Regularly moisturizing your feet can help reduce existing dry skin and prevent new dry skin from accumulating under the feet surface. Make sure to moisturize your feet after using an exfoliator. You may also use a pumice stone to help the skin seal the moisture. 3. Use a pumice stone or a foot file. Pumice stones or metal foot files help remove dry, hard skin and calluses from the feet. A pumice stone is a natural lava stone that can help you remove dead skin and calluses from your feet. 4. Soak feet in warm water. Soaking your feet in warm water helps soothe and loosen hard and calloused skin. It also improves blood circulation to the feet and may keep the skin from going dry again. 5. Use paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is a soft wax melted at a medium temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit, 51 degrees centigrade. It may help remove dead skin from your feet and make the skin softer